Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you this cool and wonderful product that I received from a company on Amazon. So basically it is appliance organizers for your appliances. Any appliances that you may have that has and includes a cord. It basically helps keep your appliance cords clean, organized, and make them look all elegant. So basically, I'm just going to be showing you how I apply the cord holders and the process. So first you want to do is, make sure that you clean off the surface and make sure it's free of any dirt and oil. Then you want to peel off the film that's on the back of the kitchen cord organizer. After that, you want to place the holder against the appliance. And I would say press, and hold it for maybe about 30 seconds to make sure it adhere. Then you wait at least 12 to 24 hours to make sure it's, have adhered to the appliance. After that, you want to then, try to wrap the cord around the cord holder. And that's it. Simple as that. And it makes it look so much organized and clean. Thank you guys for checking out this video, and I truly hope it was helpful. Until next time.